This 1950 Buick Roadmaster Convertible is an extremely original example, retaining its original straight 8 motor and its Dynaflow automatic transmission. It's all there, it's complete, it's intact, it's ready for a pretty straightforward restoration. Never restored. This was the top of the line car for Buick in 1950, the flagship model. And pretty rare find, actually. Not running, been off the road in storage under the same ownership for a long time, several years. It's been sitting parked since about 2005 or so.